You spend time learning a word. You repeat it. Write it down. Say it out loud. And then it's gone. The next time you try to use it, your mind is blank. It feels like the word just slipped away. But the truth is, we don't forget words because we're lazy or slow. We forget them because they didn't stick to anything that mattered. Our brains are not filing cabinets. They're more like gardens. If a word lands in dry soil, it doesn't grow. But if it's tied to something emotional, it blooms. Think of a word you learned during a special moment. Maybe while traveling, laughing, crying. Those words stay. That's because memory feeds on meaning. So when you learn a new word, don't just repeat it. Make it personal. Turn it into a picture. Tie it to a feeling. Use it in a silly story. Imagine it happening to you. The stronger the emotion, the deeper the roots. Language learning isn't about forcing words into your brain. It's about inviting them to stay, by giving them a home in your story. So next time a word won't stick, ask yourself, have I made it part of me yet? If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.